Hey everyone, welcome to our video, where we strive to make your daily cleaning routine easier and more enjoyable. In today's video, we'll address a common concern. Why does your vacuum smell? We'll dive into the causes and provide effective solutions to eliminate those unpleasant odors. So, let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide detailed information. Have you ever noticed a strange odor wafting from your vacuum cleaner? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people encounter this issue, and we're here to help you understand why it happens and what you can do to fix it. Let's start by exploring some common causes of vacuum smells. One possibility is a dirty or clogged filter. Over time, debris and dirt accumulate, leading to an unpleasant odor. Another factor could be trapped pet hair, spilled liquids that have gone unnoticed. Even the vacuum bag itself can emit a foul smell if not replaced regularly. Now that we know the culprits, let's move on to the solutions. Clean or replace the filter. Regular maintenance of your vacuum's filter is crucial. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean or replace it periodically. This simple step can do wonders for eliminating odors. Remove trapped debris. Check your vacuum's nozzle, hose, and brush for any clogs or trapped dirt. Clearing these obstructions will not only improve suction, but also eliminate unwanted smells. Address pet hair and spills. If you have pets, their fur might be the source of the odor. Regularly remove and clean any pet hair stuck in the brush roller nozzle. Additionally, if you've had any liquid spills, make sure to clean them up promptly to prevent odors from developing. Empty or replace the vacuum bag. A full or old vacuum bag can emit unpleasant smells. Emptying or replacing it as recommended will keep your vacuum fresh and odor-free. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.